Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Gigi, and we've got the molds out, and all of them are flowers, and we're also going to work a little bit with some copper today. I am inspired by another artist's video, but it's not a nail artist, and we'll get to that in just a minute. So I'm putting a little bit of this chrome powder into some polygel and just mixing it up. The package says it's called orange, but to me it looks like copper, and that is the theme of today. So we're going to go ahead and use polygel in these molds, because I don't know about the molds you use. I'm just talking about my molds, not your molds. But in these molds, the gel polish, it gets stuck in there and it does not like to come out. And you can usually get it out once or twice, and then boom, that's it. So I stopped using them, and one day I was just going through all my stuff, and I've got so much polygel, and I thought, why don't you try polygel? And it seems to really enjoy the polygel, so that's what I've been doing. And with experiments and stuff, not on the channel, but here we go. We're coming in to use these, and we are going to do a set inspired by the icing artist today. We're going to cover all of these white, but that's just for a background. They're not going to be white in the end. The Icing Artist is a cool channel that I've been watching for a little over a year, I want to say. I don't know exactly. We're going to do a little kind of marble, okay? The theme of the video that she did, and she didn't actually decorate the cakes. She had some bakeries decorate them for her, and she was just having fun looking at their work, I guess. That's one of the things she does. Sometimes she decorates, sometimes she gets cakes decorated. And I enjoy it because I like the art aspect. And the thing that she had done was something that I think her inspiration was AI art. So we were all inspired. So there you go. Her vision, though, was for oxidized copper. And that just, the whole color scheme of it, the beauty of it, the green, blue, teals of it, all of that really just spoke to my inner heart. And inner heart, whose heart is on the outside? That was a weird thing to say, y'all. Anyway. I say weird things. I say things. So anyway, what she was seeing on those cakes, just, I loved every second of it. I liked the sort of marbleness to it, although it wasn't fully marbled, not the way that I'm doing this now, but there was that quality because, you know, once you get an oxidation on metal, it does have its own sort of marbly flavor, right? It'll be different shades and whatnot. So that's what I liked about the cakes, and I just instantly knew we're gonna do a set of nails. I was just so excited about the idea of it. So I honestly wanted to do it before the 4th of July set, which, by the way, guys, 4th of July, if you're in America, happy 4th of July. Anyways, I wanted to do them even before the 4th of July set, but I wanted to get the 4th of July set over and done with, and then I could just focus on this. And guys, it was actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. I just enjoyed the process of making these nails. I think these three colors blended together into a marble situation really represents that oxidation that I saw in the cakes, or the representation of oxidation that they had in the cakes. That's just too many words. And I had a really good time making the marble part of this, but also playing with the flowers and gems and stuff. Guys, I did slip a little up out of frame with these last three, and let me explain to you why. That's also why the white's a little too white, and I'm a little too close, so sometimes we get a little out of focus. I had moved my camera a little bit to do something else. I forgot it was like that. And oopsie-doopsie, this video is a little bit not not the way it should be. There you go. It should be better. And honestly, all my videos should be better right now. I really need to figure out a new camera situation because I'm very unhappy with what I'm using right now. So I just want to figure that out, and at some point I'm going to figure it out. It's going to happen. I just trust the universe to know what I need and to bring that to me when I need it, which is right now, but it'll get here. You can't rush these things. Speaking of rushing things, I'm going to be moving soon, guys. I'm going to try to have enough content to cover, but we'll see. There might be a day or two in a week or so where there's not a video, but that's not what I intend to happen. So, just give me your good thoughts that I get everything that I want to get done. So now once we've got those all cured, I'm just coming in with some transfer foil gel. And this is where the copper part comes in. We've got this nice coppery transfer foil, and we're just going to put it on in a mismatch. A mismatch, not match. Because you want to just have that copper still poking through the oxidation, right? And because this is transfer foil and it's so thin, it still reads like that. So other things you might put on top might not read that way, but the transfer foil I think does. And you could do it the other way, except I really think you wouldn't get true colors on top of the copper. And that's the only way I didn't do it only reason I didn't do it that way. Sorry guys, I'm a little, I want to say stressed, but that's not it. I'm fixing to move, so there's a lot going on, and I've got a lot on my mind, and I'm not articulating my words 100% correctly because I'm just, right? So now all these flowers are going on that we made. I actually don't use every single one. I just threw some in this little box for another time. But we're using these white ones as well because I feel like it really pops with the blues and the greens and the teals and the copper and just brings another life to it. The cake from the icing artist had flowers. I didn't have molds that exactly matched her flowers, so I'm just going with my own thing because this is what I have. But if you go over there and watch it, you'll see that she had these really pretty clear sugar flowers that were just gorgeous. So once I get everything on there, we're just going to come in and give it a nice little top coat around the gems and anywhere that we can cover up those little copper balls and whatnot. I'm in love with this set. In my mind, I had a vision. I feel like this exceeds what I had in my mind. And if there was one thing I'm missing, it's those sugar flowers, but I don't have any molds like that. And I'm telling you, I'm going to keep my eyes out for them now because I want to use that. I want to figure out another set to use flowers like that in. If you like art, and you clearly do because you're here on my channel, go see the icing artist. She is cute and funny. Her and her husband makes the videos together. They have a cute dog, and I really love her channel. I don't watch every single video she makes. Here's the thing, if one of your videos is you watching TikToks, I'm probably not going to watch that. That's all. That's all it is. Guys, this is the set. And I'm sorry, again, I'm a little bit out of frame with this, but the reveal shots are good. Let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. Thank you for coming by today, and we're going to see you next time. Bye-bye.